I am pleased to announce that the Celtic Freeport is open for business. Today is a windy day here at the Port of Port Talbot, one of the key development sites across Neath Port Talbot and Pembrokeshire. This is a major milestone as the Freeport will offer tax incentives to attract new businesses and drive investment into the area. The Celtic Freeport is set to play a vital role in supporting the green economy such as floating offshore wind, the hydrogen economy and sustainable fuels. This will create thousands of well-paid jobs and boost the local economy. But that's not all. The Freeport will also bring other opportunities including investment in the port infrastructure, new supply chain opportunities and developing skills for the workforce. This is an important day for Neath Port Talbot and the surrounding areas, and I'm looking forward to seeing the impact it will have going forward. Thank you.